Have you ever found something so small that it changed your entire life? A forgotten photograph, an old diary, or a letter that was never meant for you? One spring morning, the village looked like a painting. Mira followed a trail near the oldest tree. It had stood there for generations. She didn't know she would become part of a story herself. This letter has found you. Perhaps destiny wanted our paths to cross. There is someone there who may know. It looks familiar.
Every clock carries memories. Some measure happy moments, others count painful goodbyes.
The walls were covered with paintings, places Ayaan had never visited. You painted all of these?
I dreamed of being an artist, traveling the world with urban sketchbooks. But I had to stay in the shop.
You painted all of these?
Together, they searched records, finally discovering an old chest. Inside was the missing page, matching perfectly. Ayan's hands trembled as Mira unfolded it.
My dear Ayaan, if you are reading this, may no longer be beside you. Remember this, love is not a cage, Kate. Love is not something that keeps you in your dreams. True love gives you wings. If your heart wishes to explore the world, then go. The place you visit will carry a piece of me with you. And whenever you look at the stars, know that I am looking at them too. Months later, an opportunity arrived. It was everything he had ever wanted. Yet accepting meant leaving the village.
I don't know if I can do this.
You must. Your dreams belong to the world now, Ayaan.
I don't want to say goodbye.
Fill it with your adventures. And send me letters, village.
Lots of letters.
Seasons changed. Summer became autumn. Autumn became winter.
And then spring returned. Letters arrived from distant places, one from